urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Lorain County, until 6 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:17 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over North Ridgeville or near Elyria, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Elyria, Parma, Strongsville, Brunswick, Westlake, North Royalton, North Ridgeville, Grafton, North Olmsted, Garfield Heights, Avon, Parma Heights, Broadview Heights, Brook Park, Berea, Fairview Park, Middleburg Heights, Brecksville, and Seven Hills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga and Lorain.